Hello friends, today we learn standard 9th English medium subject maths. Last time we have to discuss exercise 13.4. In 13.5 exercise we have to learn about two shape, volume and cuboid volume. Volume of cube is equal to L cube. It means because L, B and H all are equal, and in cuboid shape volume of cuboid is equal to L into B into H. Question number 2. Last time we have to discuss question number 1. Exercise 13.5. Question number 2. In question number 2, a cubical tank L is equal to 6 meter, B is equal to 5 meter, and height deep, it means height of this tank is equal to 4.5 meter. So how many liters water can be storage in liter? So all units are given in meter, and last answer storage or capacity of tank in a liter. So first of all we have to find out volume of this cubical tank. So volume of tank, length 6 meter, breadth 5 meter, and height, it means deep, so is considered as a height. Equation L into B into H, 6 into 5 into 4.5, 135 meter cube is a volume of tank. Now converted into liter, so we know that conversion of meter cube into liter, 1 meter cube is equal to 1000 liter. Therefore 135 meter cube is equal to how many liters? Therefore 135,000 liter. Question number 3. In question number 3, a cubical object, length 10 meter, breadth 8 meter, and height have to find. So a capacity of this bowl is equal to 1380 meter cube, and find the height. So given detail we have to written down. Length is equal to 10 meter, breadth is equal to 8 meter, and height to find out height. And capacity, it means volume of this bowl. So volume are given 380 meter cube. Therefore equation is volume of this bowl is equal to L into B into H. So volume of bowl is equal to 380, and length 10, breadth 8, and H means height. Therefore 380 10 divided by 8 is equal to height. Cancel 38 divided by 8, it means H is equal to 4.75 meter height of this bowl. Question number 4. 8 meter long, 6 meter wide, and 3 meter deep, a cubical well dimension are given, and the rate of this digging 1 meter cube is equal to rupees 30. So total how many charge of or a cost of digging? So first of all details are given. L, B and H are given of digging a dug. L is equal to 8 meter, B is equal to 6 meter and H is equal to 3 meters. So first of all, shape is cuboidal. So cuboidal dug volume is equal to L into B into H. Therefore 8 into 6 into 3. So final answer is 144 meter cube. 144 meter cube. Now cost of digging a dug. Rate is 1 meter cube for rupees 30. It means cost of digging 1 meter cube is equal to rupees 30. Therefore total volume is equal to 144 meter cube is equal to how many rupees? Therefore 144 multiplied by 30 is equal to 4320 rupees cost of digging. Now question number 5. A cuboidal water tank capacity is 50,000 liter, length and deep 2.5 meter length and deep 10 meters. So find the breadth of water tank. So here capacity of water tank, capacity of water tank 50,000 liter. Unit is liter and all remains units like length and height are given in meter. So first of all have a unit conversion, liter into meter. Capacity, it means it's considered as a volume of this cuboidal water tank. First of all, we have to write down all given details. For cuboidal water tank, capacity 50,000 liter, length 2.5 meter and deep, it means consider as a height 10 meter. So find value of B. Now capacity units liter, so conversion into meter. Therefore capacity of water tank 50,000 liter. Therefore 50,000 divided by 1000, so convert into meter cube, because 1 meter cube is equal to 1000 liter. So divide by 1000, we get meter cube. 30 cancel. So answer is 50 meter cube capacity of water tank. Now find breadth of this water tank. So volume of water tank, shape of cuboidal, therefore L into B into H. Volume of this water cuboidal is equal to 50, length 2.5 meter, breadth find out, and height 10 meter. Therefore 50 divided by 2.5 is equal to, so is cancel out, 5 divided by 2.5, therefore 2 meter. Question number 6. A village total person lives 4,000 per person, daily requirements 150 liter water, and a water tank dimension 20 meters length, 15 meters breadth and 6 meter height. So how many days are water required to all people? Find out how many days of water required to all living people. So total people lives in a village is 4,000 and daily requirement of per person is equal to 150 liter, and given water tank dimension L into B into H, it means 20 into 15 into 6. So first of all 150 liters converted into meter, because water tank dimension are given in a meter units. So convert into meter cube. Same as previous question, divide by 1000. So 150 liters, it means 150 divided by 1000, so converted into meter cube. And per person 150 liters, in a village 4,000 people are live, therefore 4,000 multiplied by 150, so total water required for this people can be find out. So first of all find out 4,000 people or a person per day required water volume is equal to 4,000 people and per day use 150 liter. Therefore 50 into 6 is liter. Now divide by 1000 meter cube, therefore 600 meter cubes are a volume of this. Now for a water tank, for a water tank length is equal to 20 meter, breadth is equal to 50 meters and height is equal to 6 meter. Now find volume of this water tank is equal to L into B into H, therefore 20 into 15 into 6, therefore 1800 meter cube. Now daily use is 600 meter cube per day. It means daily use for people is equal to, it means per day or a daily use is 600 meter cube, and total water tank capacity, water tank capacity 1800 meter cube. Therefore 1800 divided by 600 is equal to 3 day. It means this water can be required all people village in a 3 day for this water tank dimension? So answer is 3 day. Now question number 7, 8 and 9 in a next lecture. Thank you.